Yeah, let's move on. Next one.
All right, Ian. Happy Friday, Luke and Linus. What tech-related job do you think will take the longest for AI to take over? Well, this one's just for Luke.
Oh, dude, I have
It is
no
not.
idea. Oh, also get owned.
The longest for AI to take over. I was going to say developing AIs, but that's not even true. They're
No.
like already working on each other and stuff.
Yep. It's really tough. I think if you knew the answer to this, you would probably find some way to get extremely rich over the next little bit, because that is a question that like everyone is trying to figure out right now.
How about like the business engagement side of tech? So the actual like schmoozing that takes place where companies work on integrating each other's tech and making deals. I think that while you and I might go, well, they could easily take over that by just writing emails. It's already integrated into Office and it's integrated into Gmail or whatever. I think you and I both know that even though it's not really our thing, a lot of business is done over drinks, over shared experiences.
Totally is, yeah.
Whereas you and I issue all forms of social contact. So we don't really get it. But there's a lot of times that I've encountered people in my career where I would send an email and get ghosted or get blown off. And then I would run into them at a party at CES or something, say literally exactly the same fucking thing.
Then bridge that connection and that's a deal.
All of a sudden they're down to do a deal because we hung out or something. And I'm kind of like, that's stupid.
Yeah.
But I can't change that. I have to play the game, right?
I think it will be my jump is like infrastructure maintenance. Because
So like the actual hardware maintenance?
Yeah.
Or okay.
My job's safe
because you could
For now.
for now.
because you can like automate a lot of that with robots and you can do whatever. But what if that's the problem? What if the like networking that connects everything goes down for whatever reason?
Sure. Yeah.
Um,
All right.
Yeah, I don't know.
I think those were both valid answers, and we should not be angry with each other anymore tonight. They don't like it when mom and dad fight.
Well, that's why I was trying to tell everyone to like just don't.
You guys still love each other,
There's no.
right?
There's
It's
no,
not
like,
my fault. Did I do a bad job producing? I'm sorry.
It's
love
Dan's
you.
Yes,
fault.
it's Dan's fault,
Dan's
100%.
fault.
He's the wedge that came between us.
This is the one thing that we agree on is that it's your fault.